good morning. April 20, 2020, and yes, we're still kind of winding down a little bit on the coronavirus, but I do have one of my patients here who had Deuk laser disc repair done on the cervical spine for 2 herniated discs.
Yes.
And that was about 6 weeks ago, right?
Yeah, a little less than 6.
A little bit less than 6 weeks. What did we say, 4 weeks? 5 weeks, okay. So he's here for a follow-up visit, and tell me how you're feeling today.
I feel fantastic. I feel 100%. After about 2 days, I was able to start moving normally, and the pain receded. And so I used to have shooting pains down my arms and my neck. I could barely move it up at all, and now I feel like I have pretty much full range of motion as far as I can tell.
So the pain in your neck before surgery?
It was very, very low, very high, especially just before surgery. And my arm and my shoulder, I had shooting pains down my arms that I couldn't sleep at night. It was very uncomfortable. So it was like a miracle, actually. After the surgery, all the pain in my arm just went away immediately. So.
All right. So the neck pain from before surgery is gone.
Yeah. The neck pain, I can move my neck. It's pain free.
The arm pain is gone.
Arm pain's gone, and I've regained a lot of strength back in my arm and my grip that I didn't have before.
So the neck and arm pain are cured, and his strength is already coming back. It usually takes 3 to 6 months to get the numbness out and the weakness out from a pinched nerve, which he had a pinched nerve, 2 pinched nerves, because he had 2 disc herniations. So, had you gone to any other surgeons besides me to talk about surgery?
No, I had heard about this. One of my managers at work had a procedure done here, and he was happy with it. And it's close to where I live, so I decided to look into this here, and I was very happy.
Well, I could tell you as a neurosurgeon who's been doing spine surgery for 22 years, his alternative surgery would have been an anterior cervical discectomy infusion. There are about 250,000 of those procedures, the ACDF's done every year in the United States. And you would have been another one of those numbers with metal plate and screws in your neck, trouble swallowing and hoarseness for God knows how long. But you had the Deuk laser disc repair. Do you have any hoarseness?
None at all. No, I didn't have any issues at all with my swallowing, because it was just a tiny little incision down there, so it didn't affect me at all.
Yeah, 4mm incision. And you said after 2 days after surgery you felt really good, right?
Yeah, I went to just Tylenol. I stopped taking the painkillers after 2 days. So.
Fantastic. So, anything else you want to say to the rest of the world about the Deuk laser disc repair?
If you have the chance, do it. It's an amazing result. So.
And you had 2 herniated discs, degenerated discs in your neck?
Yes, yeah, and it was affecting the left side, and my neck. I couldn't raise my neck very far, and I couldn't turn it to the left very easily. So that just fixed it right up.
All right. Well, we're going to cut you loose today. Come back as needed. Enjoy life.
All right.
All right. You take care. Thanks.